Welcome back to Spending Weekends with Mimi. I'm Mimi. In this video, I'm sharing with my YouTube family what we did to decorate for Christmas. I had a theme of black and white and touches of green, but I wanted to do all things Chanel. I wanted a glam Christmas theme, and this is what I came up with. And also I wanted to share with my YouTube family some of the items that I purchased from Goodwill, redid those items, and how I incorporated them into the decor. During my very first video that I had, which was last year, around this time I released my Christmas decorations and I didn't have any furniture. So this year we actually have furniture. Thank you, Lord. So for those who are just joining us for the first time, please like, subscribe, comment, and be a part of this family. And for the ones that have already joined this family, I'm so blessed to have you as part of my family. So as you look at this video, I pray that you're inspired, that you love the decor just as I did, and know it's not perfect, but it's ours. I thank God for what He's doing in our lives, and I pray prosperity and provision over yours. So please enjoy the rest of the video. YouTube family, that's about it. I pray that you were inspired. And today is actually Christmas, so I am wishing you a very Merry Christmas and hope that you are enjoying this time with your family, because this time is not just about giving gifts and shopping and all the things that we've commercialized Christmas to be. It's about enjoying our families and making amazing memories and sharing with them the real reason for the season, and that's Jesus Christ. So, from my family to your family, bless you and Merry Christmas.